Where the f are we?
Dude, Jake!
Oh my, who's touching my butt crack?
Just, sorry, it's just nervous habit.
Wait, I found a door.
Oh, I can breathe again.
Where are we, guys?
Oh my god, I've heard of this place.
My gallon of piss.
Can't go anywhere without that.
Whoa. Are we in a different time?
What?
This is an elephant's tail up close.
What does it mean?
You're doing it right, brother.
Brother, it's working.
Whoa.
Holy shit, brother. God, it's coming. Oh my god, it's everywhere.
It's almost like we're in a different time. Dude, I don't remember putting the shirt on.
It's almost like we're in a different time. I don't remember putting this shirt on.
But not only that, but it literally is like we're in a different time. And how did my bottle of piss come with me?
You always carry that with you, brother. Drink it, brother.
Dude, that's not my piss.
Oh my god, that's my piss.
When do you get a piss gallon?
When did you get a piss gallon? Dude, I'm tripping balls. I see like Jesus and tigers in the sky.
I don't remember being here, man. I feel like, are we in Hawaii in the 90s?
Oh my god. Do you guys know what this is?
It's a pole, brother.
Back in the 90s, this is what strippers would dance on.
No freaking way.
Yes, freaking way.
Gross.
Nowadays, the fire departments, they donate their poles to strip clubs. But before then, they had to dance on stuff like this.
Wow. This had a stripper on it?
Yeah, it
Wait,
did.
does it smell like one?
Yeah.
Oh,
Does it smell like one?
It definitely smells like a stripper.
Oh, yeah, dude, it does smell like a stripper.
It smells exactly like your bottle of piss.
That's how strippers mark their territory. Stop, bitch. Stop it.
He was a skater boy. She said, see you later, boy.
That song wasn't f***ing invented yet, man. We're in the 90s. Whoa! No.
What?
Here's a gallon of Sam's piss.
Oh my god!
It's just that time of the month.
You know it's Sam's from the color, man. He has gonorrhea.
Hey, relax. It's the 90s.
Taste it.
I'm not you taste it, Colby.
How do we know it's really Sam's?
Should I?
What if it's someone else's gonorrhea?
He would know best.
Oh, it could have been the stripper's gonorrhea.
So you mean Corey's gonorrhea?
No.
Maybe it's all of our gonorrhea.
Colby, whose gonorrhea is it?
I think it's Sam's.
Sam!
I gotta go give you some more.
Dude, it's empty now. It's gonorrhea.
Guys, I don't feel good.
What do you feel like?
I don't know.
Are you seeing anything weird?
The world is spinning.
What?
Yeah, my head.
What's happening, man?
I don't know, man. I'm going into another dimension.
Do you need CPR?
Yeah.
I'll kiss you right now, man.
Okay.
No, he has gonorrhea on his leg.
Oh!
Damn it. We know what you're doing, man. You're trying to give me gonorrhea.
You can't give him gonorrhea!
No, I'm not.
Look at the people that were back in the 90s. They had giant.
Whoa.
What?
This is a 90s mural.
This is Muriel?
It sucks that they cut off like the best part, you know?
What's the best part?
It was like that goes down, you know?
Do you think that if you put your penis on the table where his penis should be, it would look like his penis?
That would make sense.
Yo, let's see if Sam's penis...
Whoa, Sam.
Sam!
Whoa!
He unstrapped the back brace. Whoa. Sam in bed, don't make me take off my back brace.
Oh!
Whoa!
Seriously, stop, dude.
Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. Wait,
Yeah.
this song wasn't invented yet.
Yo,
what
dude.
the f? Here's another stripper pole. Wait, so this is for guys. A guy like me.
Go on. Go on.
A guy like me.
Go on. Who's f***ing that bull?
Me.
That's right.
You know what I'm
What are you fucking...
sad.
People weren't sad in the 90s, man.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, all you have to do is smile. Look at all this nature.
Yo, it's a self-portrait of Jake.
Oh!
How did you do that,
That is
Jake?
me.
How the f*** did you do that?
He's magician.
God.
What are these? What are those?
Dude.
Wow. What are these?
Whoa. What's it smell like?
Mint.
Oh. What happened?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What are you seeing, brother?
Jake.
What are you seeing?
What?
Jake.
What?
Where are
What
you?
are you seeing? What are you seeing?
Where am I?
Yeah.
Here.
What?
Here.
Where?
Where's here?
Everywhere.
Try it. It's Hitler! It's Hitler! It is Hitler. Each of us have a little bit of Jewish in us, so that's why we're allowed to joke about Hitler.
I'm half German.
That doesn't mean anything. You could have been on the bad side.
He's half German.
I'm half German.
They weren't Hitler jokes. They were an assumption of what someone looks like.
It was
Facts.
Fact.
Whoa, don't go too far.
How are you walking on water? What the? That's not Hitler, that's Jesus.
Dude, first he was Hitler, and now he's Jesus. What are you, Colby?
Unless
Because
Hitler
you're
is
not the same Colby I knew from 2020.
You want me to tell you?
Yeah, tell
You
me.
gotta get real close to my eyes because that's where the soul is.
Okay.
I am everything. I am being. I exist on a plane of all creatures. I can see spirits and animals and fairies all around my mind. And when I go to sleep, there's garden gnomes that touch me. And that is me. And you are that. And we are everything.
You okay?
Did you drink the other piss bottle?
Yeah?
The nozzle. These must have went extinct in the 2000s.
This is my time to go.
No, where?
Corey, you don't have to do this.
I want to stay here.
There's another way out.
I want to stay here.
If you had to go, where would you go?
Home.
Home?
Corey, we miss you already.
I love you guys. Please don't forget about me.
Corey, what are you doing?
Corey, no!
Help! Help! I'm inside the tiger!
Corey?
Corey, we see you right there.
When I closed my eyes, I saw a colorful elephant that had these little beads, these little color.
It's the magical peach tree.
That's the forbidden fruit. Right, Jesus?
Yes! You can't eat that!
Jake, don't eat it.
Eat it.
Jake, don't.
Eat it.
If you do this, it'll change the rest of the world forever.
But you could have superpowers.
No! Jake! 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 Jake!
You just changed the entire world.
Jake?
I said I'm not gonna eat that shit. No! No! I won't eat it!
Jake!
Hey, it's real gang shit, both. Ha 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 ha.
Damn, son, where'd you find this? Riding with the Zuka, big Zuka.